So, hello people. As you can see, shoes tied, watch set, outfit on point, and everything's done. The officer is ready to explore and cook up some fun. Welcome to the officer's desk featuring one and only Shubham Srivastava.
So, hello friends, and welcome back to my vlog of Hyderabad. This is part 3, and in this, we'll first explore the closing ceremony of our sports meet that is I'm showing. This was the entry gate, and ahead is the stage जहाँ पे अभी तो होस्ट खड़े हैं जो कि अनाउंस कर रहे हैं कि फर्दर क्या परफॉर्मेंस होंगी. इट वॉज अबाउट टू स्टार्ट ओनली and we were early, so you can see that the chairs are vacant. The audience is quite excited, so they are already dancing. We also joined in, had food, had good dinner, and said goodbye to our sports meet. We had one more day and tonight, so we decided that on the next day we'll go to Ramoji. So for that I'll upload a separate vlog in 2 parts, but for tonight we decided that we'll go to Hi-Tech City, that is also known as Hyderabad Information Technology and Engineering Consultant City. So on the way you can see several skyscrapers also, and the nearby area that is called Gachibowli, in which we were staying, is also called as Hyderabad's financial district. So we just went towards Hyderabad's Hi-Tech City. You can also see the skyscrapers all along the famous in-orbit mall of Hyderabad, which is huge. फ्रेंड्स, आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताना चाहूँगा कि हैदराबाद की ये जो हाईटेक सिटी है, इट वाज एक्चुअली इनॉग्रेटेड इन लेट 1990s, जब यहाँ पे आइकॉनिक साइबर टावर्स बने थे, और दैट ओनली मार्क द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द आईटी बूम हियर. और इसी वजह से ये पर्टिकुलर प्लेस एक सिंबल बन गया आईटी हब का, एंड फॉर दैट it is also means called as Cyberabad. We had a friend also working here in Hyderabad in AMD, that is Advanced Micro Devices. So I went to meet him, and he took me into his campus. You can see his campus is very beautiful. Means it was not only AMD, but many companies were there, but we have the access of whole campus only. सो आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ही अच्छा कैंपस था. देयर वर एडजेसेंट शॉप्स ऑल्सो, कैफ़ेज़ ऑल्सो, देयर वर सिटिंग एरियाज़ ऑल्सो. आप टाइम अच्छा स्पेंड कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. एंड वाइल वॉन्डरिंग अराउंड वी सॉ दैट देयर वॉज फेमस कराची बेकरी ऑल्सो, यू कैन सी राइट नाउ. और तो हम इसमें भी गए, हमने यहाँ के फेमस बिस्किट्स ट्राई किए, एंड यू कैन जस्ट सी द ब्यूटिफुल व्यू ऑफ दिस कैंपस. There was light instrumental music being played in the background, and there was the soft noise of these showers, as you can see. So it was a soothing experience. काफ़ी मज़ा आया हमें यहाँ पर घूम के. और फिर हम वहाँ से निकले to explore other places also. So you'll see famous skyscrapers in the way. We didn't went to any specific buildings, but I would like to tell you that this area is the home to global technical giants, that is Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Facebook, Infosys, and major companies have their campuses here, and lot of IT professionals working in those campuses. So after traveling through these places, I felt like that what makes Hyderabad is special is that beautifully blended history with technology, as I showed you in earlier vlogs that I visited many historical places, and today getting a chance to visit this beautiful high-tech city made me realize that कि ये place काफ़ी अच्छा एक blend है हमारी history और हमारी modern technology को connect करने का. So that marked the end of our trip to Hyderabad. So we went to airport on the next day. दोस्त फ्रेंड्स, हम नेक्स्ट डे का व्लॉग मैंने पहले ही बताया, रामोजी फिल्म सिटी का. आई विल अपलोड अ सेपरेट व्लॉग. सो वी वेंट टू द एयरपोर्ट एंड फ्रॉम देयर वी केम बैक टू गुवाहाटी. एंड फ्रेंड्स, आपको मैं बताना चाहूँगा, आप ये सारे व्लॉग्स चेकआउट कर सकते हैं हमारी प्लेलिस्ट ऑफिस ऑफ तेलंगाना में. वहाँ पे आपको सारी हैदराबाद के व्लॉग्स एक सीरियल में मिल जाएंगे, सो दैट यू डोंट हैव टू सर्च फॉर इट. And inside the airport we found this famous shop of Cafe Nilofer, which we forgot to try. So we tried bun maska from here and it was quite tasty. And फिर हमने अपनी ट्रिप का एंड किया. There were many other outlets on the Hyderabad airport. You can see in the side that it is Bikaner wala, and it was quite means built in a royal style, you can see. So that marked our end to the Hyderabad trip. Stay tuned for our Ramoji vlog. I'll upload in 2 parts later on. So thank you, bye bye. Thank you for watching the video, and I would like to request you all to please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more of such videos.